Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by rebooting into Mac OS Recovery. Hold Command and R until the Apple logo appears. Once done, choose the recovery that matches your Mac model. Make sure your power is connected and any backups are complete. In the Mac OS Utilities window, open Disk Utility so you can access physical drives. You are taking action now. Identify the internal drive from the left sidebar, not the volume under it, so you target the whole disk rather than just a container. You will now erase the internal physical drive. Select the top-level device in Disk Utilities sidebar, then click Erase. Choose apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended for older systems, and set scheme to GUID partition map. This ensures a bootable layout. Name the drive and confirm. If prompted, avoid secure erase unless you need multiple passes. A standard erase is faster and sufficient for most users. Wait without interrupting while Disk Utility reformats and rebuilds. Once the erase finishes, quit Disk Utility and choose Reinstall Mac OS from the Utilities menu. You will download and install the OS onto the freshly erased drive. Follow on-screen prompts and sign in if requested. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet if the installer needs internet. If the drive does not appear or installation fails, reset NVRAM or SMC on Intel Macs, run First Aid again, or boot to Internet Recovery to troubleshoot. That single tip often resolves recognition issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.